Hey, good morning. I believe that today is, I think it's June 23rd. My husband called me kind of late last night. I'm in North Carolina helping my daughter with twins. My husband's home back in California. And the vaccine police came to our house last night. I am not joking. They wanted to know if my husband was vaccinated and if we had somebody under the age of 12 in our house. They asked that 2 times. My husband said he was the only one that lived there, and he asked how they came to our house. They said it was 2 women. They had lanyards and a clipboard. They said that our address came up as residents unvaccinated. I don't even know what to say. I live in California. Gavin Newsom is my governor. Not by my choice, but this has got to